Hello friends, I am Kiran Marwaha. Welcome to my channel Quest for Life. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, comment and share it. Today after my morning meditation, I am inspired to talk to you about how to clear your subconscious mind. Remember, people think the law of attraction works on their conscious mind, but it actually works on their subconscious mind. The next step is to understand how our subconscious mind works. Our subconscious mind understands only our feelings, thoughts, emotions. It also understands the languages of pictures, images, beliefs, affirmations, and imaginations. But we are not sure whether the images we create are strong enough. We are distracting by our thoughts and outside noise results disturbing our vision. Now I will tell you there is missing piece to the puzzle. It does not seem to manifest in reality. We are all perfect beings in nature, but our memories are covering this truth. If we really want our life to change or want to see this perfection again, we have to enter in our subconscious mind where all our problems and memories are stored. No problem exists outside of me. My all problems exist only in me as memories replaying in my subconscious mind. My subconscious mind has stored all my memories from past created by me, my family, relatives, and ancestors since the beginning of our creation till present, replaying as lack of money. I am not enough. I cannot do this. I can never know what is being cleaned. I only give permission, and the decision of what to delete is up to God. We trust and stay at present, clean up and release all our incorrect perceptions about money. Take 100% responsibility and stop letting memories control you. We request Almighty God, please, we are sorry and ask your forgiveness. Let this clean, purify, release, cut all the negative memories, blocks, energies, and vibrations, and transmute these unwanted memories into pure light for our and everyone's highest good. With this simple and powerful decision, you can go back to zero frequencies. Keep letting go and trusting. You can make the space empty. Nature will fill this space with good things which you desire. There are two choices in life. Either you resist with your problems, blaming, talking about your painful memories, or you can let go. It is up to you. When you let go, problems cannot do anything to you. Memories could be our imagination, reactions to something or someone. Let go all our past memories, emotions, old stories. Start your life at present as a fresh new start. There are main points to remember. Number one, I am the main cause of my sufferings. No problem exists outside of me. My problems exist only in me as memories stored in my subconscious mind. Number two, take 100% responsibility of whatever I am experiencing now, bad or good. Number three, let go all past memories and make space empty to enter good things. Number four, pray God to clean, clear, delete, erase all painful memories for purification and transmutation in love for our and everyone's highest good. Number 5. All is well and all is love. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you.